How to convert Spotify music to MP3 files. In this guide, I'll show you a simple method step by step. First, open your Spotify account. Once you are inside the app, tap on the library icon to expand your music collection. After that, you will see two main options, playlists and artists. Next, tap on the playlists option and choose the playlist that you want to convert into MP3 files. For example, select any playlist from your list, and it will display all the songs included in it. Now, look for the download icon and tap on it to download the playlist. Please note that this download feature is only available for Spotify Premium users. So, you must have an active premium subscription to access this option. At the moment, the only official way to save Spotify music offline is by downloading songs within the app using a premium account. This allows you to listen to your music without an internet connection, but it does not directly create MP3 files. That's how you can use Spotify's download feature for offline music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future updates. See you in the next video.